guys, welcome back to Star's channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make a Christmas star. Even though this is meant to be for Christmas, you can make this anytime round as a present or maybe like a little surprise. So it's good all year round. Before we get started, we're going to do a like, subscribe and post notification bell challenge. I want you to press all those buttons with your middle finger in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you do it? If you did, give yourself a pat on the back. Now let's actually get started. Before we do this Christmas star, I have a little surprise for you. So, from next week, I'm going to be giving out shout-outs. So if you want a shout-out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn on the post notifications, like this video, and watch it all the way through. And comment down below, please can I have a shout-out? And tell me the reason why you want it. And this is like a really useful way to get like people to see your channel. What you need for this is 6 square pieces of paper, because there'll be like 6 segments of the star. And it has to be square or you can't make it. To check, you have to get a piece of square paper and basically just like fold it in half and see if it's square. And if it's rectangular, just make sure to trim like the edges. And this is square, so you can't see any overlaps. And you need some clear tape and you need some scissors. What to do with this is, I've already folded it in half, but yeah, you're going to fold it in half and then fold it in half again to make a triangle. Make sure they're like perfect, or like your star will look really wonky and weird. Okay, so here it is. You're going to get your star and cut it into 3 equal parts. So what I mean by that is just you have to get some of your scissors and cut down here, here and here, making sure they're all equal or your star won't look very nice. Okay, be careful with these. So they all have to be even. You can use a ruler or you can mark the lines, but I don't really want to. One more. And here it is. Now all you have to do is open it. Make sure to be careful so these flaps don't rip, because it's happened to me before. Yeah, here it is. You have to make sure all these 6 pieces of paper are like even and have the same amount of gaps in the middle. So what you want to do now is get the 2 middle ones, kind of like arch it round and get some tape and strip it together. So I'll show you. I'll just attach one here and half is like kind of hanging out. I'm going to fold this basically. Here it is. As you can see, you can put your hand in the middle to make sure like it's like a round shape. Okay, now you want to turn the star the other way round and do the same, but with the other 2. Now you want to do it like that. Make sure it's clear tape, or it'd be like black marks, or like whatever tape you have. You see the marks and it won't look very nice. You can colour in the star, but I prefer it to just be like white, because I think it looks better like that. And it's going to take forever to like colour all of it in. It doesn't have to be too neat if you're doing it with like clear tape. If you're doing it with white tape, it has to be quite neat, or you're going to see like all those mistakes. You just have to make sure you're doing it like one way here and the opposite way here, and the next one you have to do the opposite one. So the last one I have to do it this way. If you have any like flaps overlapping, just like pinch it down and you can't see as much. Now let's make 5 more. They have to be all even, so they're kind of even, but like when you strap it together and make it round, it'll be perfect. So to make the actual star, you'll need some tape, but you can make it like double-sided tape to be smart. But if you don't have any double-sided tape, it won't be the end of the world. I don't think everyone who's watching has double-sided tape, so I just decided to use some normal tape. And I'm still using clear tape, and I'm getting one bit here. I'll make it like not that big, about the size of my pinky. And I'm literally going to put these together. You can also staple it together, but I don't really want to do that because I find it kind of hard to staple it. So I'm going to put it one side inside here, and I'm basically going to put it here to make them line. As you can see, the X's like kind of line, and just wrapping it round. And you can do that the other side as well. You can go over it again like I am for like extra strength. As you can see, this one's like massive, this one's tiny, but when I make like the actual star, there'll be like loads of segments going around, and this one will like stretch a bit, this one will be like flattened a bit, and they'll all be equal. See, the first one's done. And now, basically, you just have to attach all of them together. You don't want to stick on the last part because then it will be quite hard to like join them all together in the middle. So I'm going to put this aside for now. You're going to get 2 of these, like the bottom parts. And you're going to get some tape. And just like pinch them together and tape them together. It's really easy to use a stapler here. But I don't really want to use a stapler in case like people don't have one. Then you're going to do the same, but you're going to do it like 3 pieces. So here, okay, so I'm going to put it here and hold on to the top, pinch it down. So I recommend doing like 2 layers of it. It might look like only half the star's completed, but you kind of want to just pull it down and add the extra piece. So it's going to be here. Put that here, and you're going to do it and it'll be complete. You can tape it on like that. Now we're just going to attach these 2 down. More tape. This does use quite a lot of tape though, so just like a warning, get lots of tape before doing this. Should tape it down at the bottom, and yay! 1 more side to go. Oh, I'm so excited. And here we have 2 options. You can just go down like this, and it will work, and just be like a tight star, like that. But I want to make it a little bit bigger, so I'm going to add an extra one here. Even though it takes like more time, you can just stop up here, but I just want to add an extra one to make it look more pretty. I'm going to add this extra one to make it look really nice. Now we just have to glue these together. How good it looks! Oh, it looks so good. I'll put it here. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions on what my next video should be about, then please comment down below.